Good morning, students. How are you? I'm very well, and welcome to all of our parents. Each morning we use the students are learning to use their social skills by greeting, and we're hoping that they will learn to use their social skills all day long in greeting others. And also what we work on is focusing on what's called the pillars. There are 6 of them. And the pillar or trait that we've been focusing on this month is what? Fair. Learning to be fair, or focusing on being fair. And we've got all of these great examples that are with us this morning. Also, we're going to honor and celebrate many of our students who have been showing improvement. It might be just showing improvement in a certain subject. It might be just showing improvement in working harder. So we're very excited to celebrate with all of you what we're going to find out. We'd like to excuse Mr. Merrick. He had to be at a principal's meeting today. And although he would love to be here, but he sends his wishes to all of you for a job well done. And we're happy to see some of our staff members here too to support you. All right, so without further ado, we're going to begin with 2nd grade. Oh, and by the way, Mrs. Connie will do her very best in pronouncing your name. Sorry if I don't pronounce it right. All right, we're going to start with Mr. Woomer's class. Yay! Okay, from Mr. Woomer's class, we have a young lady who's made an entire year's worth of growth in her reading level. She went from 1.8 to 2.8 in stars. Congratulations to Valerie Hernandez. Come on up. Good job. Right up to the top. Okay, another one from Mr. Woomer's class. This young lady was chosen by her classmates for the Fairness Award by an overwhelming majority. That simply means that when Mr. Woomer asked, who do you think is the most fair? This girl's name came up. It says she treats everyone fairly. Congratulations to Kyla Navarrete. Come on up. All right, next we're going to go to Mrs. Thompson's class. This young man has grown by leaps and bounds in his AR reading. He's now a Bobcat, or getting close to Bobcat. That's Armani Lopez. Come on up. Good job. Next, from Mrs. Thompson's class, is a young lady who sees what is right and is fair to all of us. She is a very thoughtful and considerate person. None other than Daniela Astorga. Come on up. Good job, Daniela. We're now going to go to Miss Cordova Smith's class. This young lady has demonstrated fairness. She takes turns, she shares, and she plays by the rules. That's fabulous. It's Natalie Maceda. Good job, Natalie. All right, also from Miss Cordova Smith's class, this young lady, I believe, gets the award for most improved in number sense, fluency, reading comprehension, and oral reading. All of those. Fabulous. Leslie Hernandez. You've been working hard. Good job. We're now going to go to Miss Heyman's class. This young lady was nominated for being most fair. Her name is Lily Samora. Come on up, Lily. Good job. Also from Ms. Heyman's class, someone who's been working hard to improve, and his name is Daniel Alvarez. Come on up, Daniel. Good job. a second grade. Who is this? This young man has been working extremely hard and is improving in all academic areas. I am very proud of him, Matthew Grajeda. Come on up, Matthew. In all areas, good job. That means you're working very hard. Also from Ms. Connolly's class, this young man treats everyone with fairness and tries to make sure everyone in his group gets a chance to speak. That's really important, that everyone gets a chance. This is Daniel Garcia. Good job, Daniel. Come right up here. Okay, now we're going to go to Ms. Gonzalez's class. This young lady works really hard in class, and she ensures that all of her friends understand their work. Most fair from this class is Lorena Graciola. Come on up, Lorena. Good job. All right, also from Ms. Gonzalez's class, this young lady has worked really hard to complete her assignments. She reads with confidence aloud. This is Jaylyn Rodriguez. Congratulations, Jaylyn. All right, now let's see. We're going to go to Miss Matlock's class. Okay. This young man always makes sure that his classmates are always being treated fairly in and outside of the classroom. This is Jason, is that correct? Jason Butler. Come on up, Jason. There you go. Careful. Also from Miss Matlock's class, this young man has been working very hard in phonics. And your teacher says that she appreciates your efforts. Good job. This is Alanis Mendez. Good job, Alanis. All right, we're going to go to Miss Urbina's class. Okay, this young lady shares if she sees someone in need, a kind soul indeed. This is, Jamila Rodriguez. Come on up, congratulations. Also from Miss Urbina's class, this young man has improved his reading word count significantly and is currently reading 80 words in a minute. My goodness, keep it up. And this is Ian. Ian Casundo Quiroz. Good job. We're now going to go to Mr. Michelson's class. All right. We would like to congratulate this young man who is improved in his work and his effort, and this is none other than Vinny Ramirez. Come on up, Vinny. Good job. Right there. Or maybe step right up. All right, and still from Mr. Michelson's class, we've got someone who has been showing, being a good example of how to be fair. Eric Chavez, come on up. All right, kindergarten, it's you now. Miss Collar's class. Okay, we like to congratulate this young man for showing the most work, showing the most improvement in all areas of his work. And this is Jorge Gomez. Come on up, Jorge. Also from Ms. Collar's class is a young lady who's been nominated as Most Fair. Her name is Elena Delgado. Come on up. We're going to go now to Ms. Carrera's class. This young man is a friend to everyone in the class. And instead of taking sides, he tries to be fair by seeing both sides. That's so amazing. For kindergarten, thank you for being such a good example, Dwayne Eldridge Vila. Come on up. Also from Ms. Pereira's class is a young lady. It says she participates with more confidence in class and is now able to do more than she could at the beginning of the year. Congratulations to Jocelyn Becerra Castan. Also, we're going to go to Ms. Velasco's class now. We'd like to congratulate this young man who's been working at being fair in his class and outside of his class. And his name is Anthony Marta. Come on up, Anthony. Good job. Let's put on this side. Let's go right over here. Here we go. Now, who do we have left? Oh, we're still in Ms. Velasco's class. How about someone who's been showing improvement in many areas? Maybe he's absent today. Juan Rodriguez is absent, but we'd like to congratulate him. And now, Miss Ferguson's class. In Miss Ferguson's class, this young lady is a friend to everyone and always willing to help out. She is a great example of being fair and kind to all. And her name is Niobe Lopez. Congratulations, Niobe. And finally, this young lady has been a hard worker who loves to learn. She has amazing support at home, helping her learn as well. Congratulations, Fernanda Le Lopez. Come on up. Let's go right up here. And we'd like to thank Ms. Munoz, who's trying to get us all situated size-wise. One final applause for the whole group. All right, this young lady has been working on improving many areas in her subjects in 5th grade, and she's from Ms. Hennessy's class. Oh, I'm sorry, I think it's a he. Sorry. And it's Armando Le. Come on up, Armando. Right up to the top. All right, another 5th grader from Ms. Hennessy's class. She has been demonstrating fairness, and I believe probably her class really agrees that she's a good example. Kaylin Shavera, come on up, Kaylin. She helps us in the mornings with our flag ceremony, too. Next, we're going to go to Mr. Jospern's class. This young man has been very conscientious and polite. Thank you for that. He always is trying to do his best, and most importantly, is respectful. It is Jesus Borrell. I hope I said that right, Borrell. Also from Mr. Jospern's class is a young lady who recently went over 225 AR points. What? And is reading above grade level. She is focused on reaching her true potential. That's what it sounds like. Good job to Yelin Piedra. Come on up, Yelin. All right, we're going to go over to Miss Nowak's class. Okay, this young lady has improved in all of her subjects, not only in her grades, but also in her work ethic and perseverance. Very important. Rosa Figueroa. Also from Ms. Nowak's class is a young lady who was voted for most fair by her classmates because she's an extremely nice person and always sweet to everyone. Natalie Delgado. Come on up. We're now going to go to Walsh's class. Okay, this person has been working so hard and has improved her English by leaps and bounds. That means a lot. And this is Lucero Tamayo. Also from Miss Walsh's class is someone who's always respectful, open, and understanding with her fellow students. Congratulations to Gabby Lemus. We're going to go now to Miss Bosch's class, now also Miss Walty's class. This young lady has shown persistence and hard work, and by doing so, she bumped her grades up. Good job, Denise Yepes. Okay, also for Miss Bosch's and Miss Walty's class is a young lady who was voted most fair by her classmates. Congratulations to Joanna Malpica Munoz. Come on up. We're going to go now to Miss Pekka's class. This young lady always treats others with respect and the way that she would like to be treated. Shyla Davalos. Come on up. Also we're going to go to third grade. Okay. Miss Ship's class, and now also Mr. Lee. This young lady has been demonstrating the pillar for most fair. Congratulations to Crystal Garcia. Now, let's see, we're going to go to Miss Van Beveren's class. Okay, this young man has been working hard this year to improve his grades. He is an excellent student. Angel Serda Frias. Also from Miss Van Beveren's
I was asking
class
if that call was for me.
is someone who is a great example of the character
She's here in the assembly.
pillars. She works hard and is kind to everyone.
I'll let her know.
Risa Berto, come on up. Congratulations. We're now going to go to Mr. Hunter's class. This young man has, even though he's done very well most of the year, with his continuous hard work, he's grown even more tremendously. Congratulations to David Tongafao. And finally, also from Mr. Hunter's class, this young lady consistently follows the rules in the classroom and when she's playing games. That's so important. Camila Quesada. Congratulations, Camila. We'll have you right in the front, center. Okay, let's see. Can you see everyone's face? One more round of applause for our grades 3, 4, and 5. Congratulations. Also, boys and girls, come on down and you can just kind of go over to your original area. We want to remind all of you who are in attendance here that this event is being streamed live, and the link will be added to our website. If there are any other family members who can be here who would like to see the videotaping, they will be able to off the link on our website. We also like to invite you up to have some quick time with your child before he or she goes back to class. So boys and girls, if you'd like to give mom or dad or grandma a hug before you go back, you may do so now. Go ahead and